This is the alien aircraft blinker, Maiden. It's a whole lot windier than I would normally like, but I want to fly this puppy. I hope the grass doesn't get a lot of trouble. Definitely not enough elevator. Try this again. The sprinklers definitely ran earlier. I wish they'd moved the soccer goals off. A lot of wind, a lot of wind. If this wasn't the Maiden, I would take off from the parking lot. Come on, there we go. Holy crap, is it windy. Yeah, this was a mistake. Man, landing ought to be interesting. Does fly good though. That was a mistake. Wow. Yeah, I gotta get this thing down. Hopefully in one piece. Wow. 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 I don't believe I did that. Whew. I'm never shaky on Maidens. I never fly with this much wind. Looks like even the bird out there is having trouble. Yep, she's still in one piece. I'm sure on a nice day it'll be a nice plane.